Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Gratsi, and in today's video we are doing, can you guess? We're doing a Chanel unboxing, my very first Chanel unboxing. When I'm a full-time lady of leisure in the future, I can look back on this video on my very first Chanel unboxing and I'll just feel like, oh, how cute. So yeah, I'm super excited to show you guys what I got in Chanel. Let me know what you guys think I got in the comments. Comment right now, I'll wait. I thought it was only right to wear this because, you know what, like, got some Chanel now. So I gotta look the part, you know. Okay, so this is what the box looks like. In fact, before I get into that, let me tell you guys a quick backstory of how I got the Chanel. So this item is literally coveted. Like, everybody and their moms wants this item. I wanted this back in July for my birthday. Thought, treat yourself, like your mid-20s once. So I wanted to treat myself, but honey, this item was nowhere to be found. Like, I couldn't find them anywhere. I could only find them in the Heathrow airport, but obviously I wasn't traveling anywhere, so the ghetto. The only place that had them were private shoppers, private stylists. Anyway, I had no business talking to them. I don't even know what they're called. And they were selling them on resale for like £1,200 when the item itself is about 700. So I actually was tempted. I really wanted them, guys. Like, I really desperately wanted them. But I just thought, make it make sense. Like, that's like a £500 markup and that ain't it, okay? So I just thought, it's okay. I can't come and die because of a Chanel purchase. It's all right. So I just thought, you know, wait, like, I'm just gonna leave it. If it happens, it happens. And I kind of just forgot about it. So then a couple months later, we went to Italy. If you haven't seen the Italy vlog, then what are you waiting for? Watch it after this video. I'll leave a little tab here. It was so much fun. But yeah, so we're in San Marco, which is like the designer district of Venice. We're just window shopping, you know, looking around like we could afford all of these things. And I didn't even think that they would have stocked this item because it was just sold out everywhere when I wanted it. But of course, Italy is literally the capital, the designer capital, so I should have known. So I went in there, we were just having a good time, girls trip, and what do I see in the corner of my eye? I see my baby. And I just thought, this is it, thank you Lord. Like, which I'm even more happy because I got it at retail and not resale price. I got it literally RRP, so I'm really excited about that. The girls were just gassing me, like, it was so much fun. It was a really nice experience as well. The Italian staff were amazing. In a lot of unboxings, I see that people have mixed experiences with staff. Some of them are apparently very bougie, they're not very courteous. So I had a really nice experience with the Italian staff. They were amazing. So without further ado, why am I rambling? Let's just get into this unboxing, girl. So this is what the box looks like. The packaging is just 10/10, isn't it? Come on, babe, it's Chanel. It better be good. Do you know what I mean? I'm keeping this box for life, and that's all, period. And that's on She Wants Chanel, Go Get It. I can't wait to have this on my walk-in wardrobe one day. I'm just gonna open the little bow. Oh my gosh. Super cute. So inside we have a little Chanel card, and I guess it's like the authentication card maybe. Cute little dust bag for the item. It has some extra laces, which now you can probably tell what I got. Ta-da! Can you see that? This is what I got. Oh, so pretty! So as you can see, I bought these Chanel sneakers and they are just works of art. I absolutely am obsessed. I got the all white satin with the suede detail. I am obsessed. So cute, and they have the Chanel logo at the bottom. They are just impeccable. Like, what a blooming cute pair of trainers. Like, they are just so friggin' cute. And what else is there to say about them? They're friggin' amazing. So these are what I got from Chanel. Got them in a size 4 and I'm gonna let you know how much they were. These were 810 euro, which converts to 721 pounds, which I believe in London they were 720. So literally retail price. For me, that was about to spend 1,000 pounds on a trainer. Yeah, one day, not yet though. So I'm really happy that I actually technically saved money because I was gonna buy them for 1,000 pounds. Now I only got them for 720, so technically I'm saving money, you know? This is only my second designer purchase, so many more to come. Now I'm not gonna do a little rambly speech because it's really not that deep, but I'm just blessed to be able to, like, you know, afford nice things now, and I work really hard, so I'm just kind of proud of myself, you know. Next time maybe I'll get something from Prada because I'm proud of me, you know. I'm just proud of me, you know. We come a long way. We came from the gutter, like, and now we find Chanel. We're living in a cute little apartment, you know. So if you want to see how I would style these, then follow me on Instagram. I will be posting outfits on there. So yeah, of course, this was a treat to myself, and I saved up, and I just thought I'd treat myself because life is for the living, as Tolly T says. Like, so always spend wisely. Don't be influenced. Just spend your money wisely, okay? Like, disclaimer alert, okay? Anyway, I'ma go now. I need to work to make this money back because 700 pounds was missing from my account. Yeah, that was it for the Chanel unboxing. Make sure to subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Mwah.